Hey, so let's do a weekly recap video of my Forex trades. Did not make a lot of trades this week. In general, as you've seen from my previous weeks, I'm very picky in my trading, and earlier this week I was just busy with other work and personal stuff, so I didn't have the headspace to really trade. So I made 2 trades this week, lost one and won one. So I just want to go over them, keep this consistent. So let's get into it now. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. DD Trader over here. I'm sorry if it's a little bit noisy upstairs. It's getting close to the weekend, everyone's home. Just want to go over quickly 2 of the trades I made this week. One of them didn't work out. We could look into why it didn't, but I think it's a decent setup. And the second one was like the setup that I look for. So I'm really excited to show you about that one, and it definitely paid off. So let's just get into it right now. Before we do, actually, I want to tell you about my trading course, helpwithtrading.com. We're getting so many new subscribers to the course right now because all you got to do is subscribe to the channel. It's free. So that's awesome. And we're building this community, and people have been tweeting me their trades to go over market analysis. So if you want to get in on that too, at Help With Trading, just tweet me. I'll try to get back to you within 24 to 48 hours to give you my analysis, see what I'm seeing in that chart as well. And yeah, we'll just continue going forward. So I made 6 grand this week on 2 trades. Not much to talk about over there. Definitely happy with that. I've had losing weeks as well. So it's definitely nice to make 6 grand. So we're starting off on the Canadian dollar versus the Swiss franc. And so what I'm seeing over here is that the market is going down with lower lows and lower highs. Once we reached, this point over here of the low, so I saw that it, pulled back over here, and I wait for a second pullback, and that's what I did over here. Waited for the first pullback, the second one, and got in after that, pretty bearish candle. That was my confirmation candle. It wasn't as big as the bullish candle, so that could possibly be the reason. Again, I always just say, like, it could also be random, or it could also be that it wasn't a good trade. So, the tops were, kind of aligned to this bottom and this bottom. This was a nice, bearish wick over here. And then after we came back and had a nice bearish candle, so I just got in. The trade didn't work out at all, but obviously my idea did work out because it just needed one more push above and then go down, like probably on the 4-hour. Right, so on the 4-hour, you're seeing that, this was still bullish. Obviously, it didn't go down enough, and you had the big wick, and then these 2 wicks, and then this would be your confirmation candle to go down, and that would be the double top. That one didn't work out. Let's get to the one that did. So this one was like a piece of art to me. I even posted on Twitter and Instagram this trade as it was happening. It's not often, that you get like the actual trade of your strategy. So, but here we are on the New Zealand dollar versus the yen on the 15-minute chart, and the market was just going down and down and down, and pulled back up, made a wick, pulled back down, pulled back up a second time. Maybe I was a little bit self-conscious over here because kind of like it happened to me that I lost on, the CAD Swiss trade, but whatever, I ended up getting in. It was a 2.57 risk reward ratio. I just wanted to get to the bottom, traded 40 lots over here, and, made $8,500. And, like I've said to you guys before, this was, on Thursday, and I just I don't look at the market as something that I could just always profit on. I'm happy to take what I can get and then just get out. So, I've had better weeks than a $6,000 week, but I've had worse weeks too. So, kind of was busy in the beginning of the week, 2 trades. One of them I think could have worked maybe I should have been a little bit more patient. This one was just like, this is exactly what I'm looking for. The downtrend with a double top, or the uptrend with a double bottom. And this one just really was a great trade. So I hope you enjoyed this video. If you do, then please give it a like for the value that it's given you, and subscribe to my channel, hit the notification bell, see these weekly Forex recap videos. I'm also doing a lot of crypto price prediction, getting a lot more into crypto these days, and always have the trading mindset videos as well. So keep following me, guys. Really appreciate your support, and have a great weekend. DD out.